Hello and welcome to our channel. Using fresh coconut, we are making coconut ice cream that's as refreshing as a gentle sea breeze. Using simple ingredients and no ice cream molds, we will make this ice cream for everyone. Take the pulp of a fresh coconut that has been extracted from the shell. To make our ice cream white, we need to peel off the brown layer using a peeler. Do not throw the peels. You can use them in chutneys or gravies like korma. Once your coconut is peeled, cut them into smaller cubes so that it is easier to blend. To this, add coconut water, milk powder for the creamy flavor, granulated sugar for sweetening, full fat milk, and seeds of green cardamom for some harmonious flavors. In the blender, add all this and blend for 2 to 3 minutes until you have a creamy and frothy mixture. For the molds, we have taken recyclable foam cups. You can also use plastic cups in this place. Fill these cups with your ice cream mixture, leaving some space on top so it can expand when it freezes. Then, with a piece of aluminum foil, cover the top of the molds. Make a small incision in the middle of the foil and push in an ice cream stick. Let it freeze for at least 4 hours or overnight for best results. For demolding, make a water bath and place your ice cream molds in it for 30 seconds. Then, gently remove the foil and holding the back of the ice cream stick, pull to demold. There you have it, coconut ice cream that's easy to make and can be enjoyed as a cool treat on a hot day. So, dig in and enjoy life's simple joys, and until next time, happy cooking!